Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and Danson are here on Moosehead Lake fishing, and we're not in the pop-up today. Today we got offered to use somebody's ice shack that we know that has one out here on Moosehead, so we took them up on the offer. Got a wood stove in here. It's a nice. So hopefully we got our traps set up. We're gonna do some jigging in here as well. So we're hoping to get on maybe cuss, something, lake trout, salmon, brook trout. Those are the four that we're trying to go for. One of those four would be nice for today's fishing mission. So far, no flags yet, but it's just got set up. So got all day. Hopefully we get something. We will. But should be a good day. Enjoy the video. Okay, with the lanes off.
Was that one on the bottom?
Yes.
Could always be cusk.
Yep, there's something there.
Yeah, he's got something.
Deep one? Yeah. This one I had set all the way on the bottom.
I wasn't moving, so it could be a cusk. They don't.
Not really fighting.
Well, the dog's alright.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted him in the picture.
I'm fine.
She'll check it out, show us. She keeps trying to give you ice jump because she wants to play fetch. That's what she goes for.
How's it feel? We're about to find out. Cusk. There you go.
Cusk.
Good one. I swear I was like 15 feet from the rock. I put a trap in.
Just another day.
I put 25-foot tape measure. I could almost spit on the rock and I hit bottom. So I think from that island it
Yeah, well,
that's a little one.
I've been thinking, yeah, a little shallow. See
oh,
what...
hell no, it's probably 40, 50 feet.
There he goes.
Or nothing. Yeah, there's something on there. Feels like a cusk. He ain't too feisty. He's a little one. He's a little guy. No! Holy cow, it's a little toad. Little baby toad. Look at that little toad. Don't know if you guys can see that good, but just a little guy.
Nice.
Nice little toad. Let him go to get bigger.
Well, awesome. We're getting down on a couple fish. No.
Yeah, he's off. Was it just something, whatever it was? Come up to it, it was going. Yeah, this one wasn't set far below the ice. That could have been a salmon. Dog. I can't believe I lost it. Stupid. Well, we'll try again. There it goes.
Get it. Get him. Oh yeah.
Feels okay. A lot of head shakes. This was a salmon set, folks, so I'm hoping it's a salmon.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful salmon.
Awesome, hold them up. Nice. Wow. Been a while since we got a flag. Finally dancing. Got another one. Got 3 fish on the ice now for the day. It's like, I think almost 3 o'clock. I don't exactly know, but it's been a slow bite. This is kind of expected. Cause it's a bluebird sun. I mean, there's some clouds. Not really. But it's a sunny day. Days like this, for me especially, I never really have a good bite. Ice fishing and open water fishing. This goes really for everyone, kind of. A sunny day is usually a tough bite. And it definitely is today. We're not slaying them like we would like to be, but got a couple on the ice, hoping for more. I think we're gonna stay out here till about dark. So still have another 3 or 4 hours till then. So hopefully we can get more.
Ain't a dinky one.
Their position, because 3 months after they do, they get a $9 million grant from Dr. Fauci. So yeah, that's the change. Democrats now say, well, it could be either one. We should all work together, look forward, focus on the future. Baloney. You guys called us all kinds of names, and we want to know exactly what was going on at the time that you were doing those sort of things.
Congressman Jordan, it's Buck. Thanks for being with us. Is there any legislation? I know, obviously, now Senate, White House
Don't get
can't
stuck
through,
in the
but
garden.
we're going into an election year. Things could change.
Oh, you pull it up?
Oh no! What was that?
Codify in law action in response to
Lost it right at the hole. Looked like a toe
Right
almost.
at the hole.
any of these COVID measures. Are you talking about
Oh man, that stinks.
passing the line?
Right at the
Ooh.
hole.
Down in Florida.
We think maybe some of the
Okay, dancing hooked up again. We're on bottom, so it has to be a cuss.
Wow.
But I mean, I guess it doesn't have to be.
spell that all out.
Oh no!
Come off.
It popped off again! Lost it again! You gotta be kidding me!
Dude, I'm gonna get down there and see if I can catch this.
Gotta be a cuss. It feels like a cuss. But for some reason I've had a hard time getting on them up. Yep, it's a cuss. Oh, he don't want to come up.
Woo!
Got him.
Finally got him.
Finally got one.
Nice.
Gotta get a quick measure. Voila, there we go.
Nice. Awesome.
5 foot down. Think you got one? Oh, yeah, you got one.
I got one.
I can tell from the Garmin.
Let's fish on the jig board for the day.
Get him up the hole, though. Don't count it yet.
True.
Yep. I was getting hits on mine and it took a bait. Whew. Little cuss.
Little cuss. Jigging right on the bottom for them. It's like a big jig-headed dead bait on it there. Right on the bottom. Little guy. Nice. Awesome.
Very cuss. Yep. Little cuss.
Yeah, little cuss.
Little baby cuss.
Yeah. focus, focus. Hold it straight. Nice.
Yep, it's a little cuss. Little cuss. Little cuss.
Oh yeah, another little one. So, since I've got another flag, and I'm starting to wonder what I do wrong. Like, I only got one flag all day, and this is like his 6th, 7th one. I don't know, I set them almost the same way. They're in the water. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. The fish don't like me. I don't know why.
Yeah, another one.
Little one. I finally got another flag. Nothing.
Let's see if he's here. Nope.
The ice did it. Man, the slightest tap on that pole.
They feel you and they're gone.
Well, I did that to myself. I was in too big of a hurry, and when they're careful enough to not let this spore hit the ice, because the slightest feel sometimes on these salmon and lake trout and brook trout, the slightest feel, you bump this, they feel you, they'll drop it. That's exactly what happened with that fish right there. Doggone, I did that to myself. Beautiful sunset though.
Dan's got one in the jig hole.
Seth's getting ready to pull it up too. And pack it away. And got one on it. Pretty decent. There you
Better
go.
one, a little bigger.
Oh, one of the better ones of the day. A number 3 for me.
Very nice.
Awesome. There we go. Wow, guys, if you're ever looking for a place to stay on Moosehead Lake in Maine, check out Tom Hegan Camps. Really beautiful place. They got a beautiful spot here on a beautiful cove here on Moosehead Lake. Recommend check them out if you're ever looking for a place to stay on Moosehead Lake. In the sunset, it's just beautiful. I wish we were out here for the sunrise, but we gotta get out of bed in time. But this sunset is so beautiful. Okay guys, we all packed up, loaded up, getting back on the road now. It was a overall, we did not catch a lot of fish, but it was a good day on Moosehead.
Yeah, I caught one nice keeper salmon, so that was good. A lot of cast, one little toad, that was it for toad.
Yep. It's hard to find big cuss in this lake. There's a lot of small ones. Big ones, I don't think I've ever seen a big one. And maybe that 19-incher, I think, was the biggest one.
Oh no, I've caught in 3-pounders out.
You caught in 3-pounders?
Yeah.
Okay. They're still a little rare to come by in Moosehead, but overall, good day. Beautiful sunset. But we both had fun. And we'll see you guys all next time on the next video. Thanks for watching.